Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SGMSIGMA M83, portable smart window cleaning robot. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Ultra strong suction. 5600 PA powerful suction, firmly adheres to glass surfaces, ensuring stable and efficient cleaning. Whether it's high-rise windows or smooth tiles, it handles them effortlessly with safety and peace of mind. The powerful suction ensures no blind angle cleaning, bidding farewell to the hassle and danger of traditional window cleaning, leaving every window sparkling like new. 4-nozzle design. M83 window cleaning robot with 100 ml large capacity water tank, 4-nozzle design for even spray, cleans up to 75 square meter with a single refill. Efficient coverage, smart cleaning, effortlessly handles large windows, making cleaning more convenient. Double safety. 600 mAh backup battery to prevent sudden power failure during cleaning and ensure lasting operation for 30 minutes. Equipped with safety rope, can bear up to 135 kilograms, stable protection, high altitude cleaning safer. Efficient battery life and double guarantee, so that window cleaning more worry. 4 cleaning modes. For full coverage cleaning, spot mode effectively removes stubborn stains, while Z-path, N-path, and Z and N-path intelligently plan cleaning routes for complete coverage without missing a spot. Efficient cleaning effortlessly handles all types of windows, leaving every pane sparkling like new. One key start. Press the button, and voice prompts will guide you into cleaning mode. First, dry wipe to remove stubborn stains, then wet wipe for a deep clean. Dual action cleaning delivers exceptional results, leaving your windows sparkling like new. Smart detection. Equipped with advanced intelligent edge sensors, it accurately detects obstacles and automatically avoids edges and barriers. Whether it's window frames, railings, or complex environments, it handles them with ease. Intelligently adjusts suction power to effortlessly cross small gaps between glass and tiles. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.